Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y31 and let me show you how to switch off personalized Google Ads. So at first open the settings, then from main settings list, so from this panel select Google, go to all services and now pick ads. We've got it right here. And you can either reset advertising ID or delete it permanently. So I'd suggest to delete it permanently. As you can see, apps can no longer use this advertising ID to show you personalized ads. However, you'll still be able to see some ads, but they will not be relevant at all, most probably. Then mark delete advertising ID, and that's it. So this is how you can keep privacy on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.